Hey, morning, Mom. What's for breakfast? Morning, Billy. I packed you a fat-ass bowl of Rapparos.
All the Koreans are confused, like, should we be offended? He's Korean too. Like, should we be offended? Hey, you wanna say something before we get started?
Hey, what's up?
You smokes more weed than me, really. Alright, this song's called Hey, any ladies in the house? Ladies in the house, yeah. You know, let me just tell you right now, this is a huge surprise. Ladies don't come to my shows, you know what I'm saying? All the dudes are like, yeah man, grind time! And girls are just drags there because of their boyfriends and shit usually. But yeah, this song's for the ladies actually. This song is called She Don't Care. And it goes out to all the ladies in the house. All the ladies in the house who might have a man or a boyfriend or had a man and a boyfriend, you really liked him, even though he was broke as fuck, you still liked him, you know what I'm saying? So this is dedicated to every ex-girlfriend I've ever had pretty much, but it's called She Don't Care, and this is for the non-gold diggers. This is for like the bronze diggers. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. You guys gotta have to stay quiet because the mic's not. Yeah. The day I met her, I looked bummy as hell. But something that I said must have put her under a spell. She was out of my league, obviously. Mommy and cheese, why would she be interested in someone sorry to speak? She was in the audience, the hottest the body of a goddess. Came to my merch booth and bought out all of my products. So I thought maybe I had a shot, or maybe not. But she was the one to approach me like Sadie Hawkins. Read her locked and she was eyeing me, buying me drinks. Didn't give her a sob story with violent strings. Although I wasn't falling, she admired my steeds. Entirely free and artist inspired by dreams. I guess I embodied what you wanted to be at the young age. Jokingly responded, you mean hungry and unpaid. We laughed, we kissed passionate, and danced the night away with curves like a tidal wave. I hope that I behave. She don't care that I'm broke. No, she don't care I ain't got a car. All she wants is to keep me company, right by my side. She knows I'm a wino. And she knows I'm not yet a store. But on the stereo she keeps on bumping me. 1, 2, yeah, yo, she loved my music and everything that I stood for. Even though I sleep on the wood floor and couldn't cook for her. Shit, a girl like this really exists. You just gotta look for it through the thick of the mist. It's rare nowadays to find an independent girl that doesn't care how you paint. So when you find her, don't scare her away. She's a keeper, supportive of your talent. She understands your struggle and the shortage in your balance. She ain't a gold digger, there's no gold to be dug. Cause I'm broke as a mug, I just hope to be loved. Trust she ain't my sugar mama cause I stacks my own. I ain't latching on through holy matrimony. We on the same page, the wavelengths ain't changed since the day I met her. Cheddar was always a fair thing. Damn, I still don't understand what you saw in me. Honestly, call the luck, that's what it's gotta be. She don't care that I'm broke. No, she don't care I ain't got a car. All she wants is to keep me company, right by my side. She knows I'm a wino in the pothead, and she knows I'm not yet a star. But on the stereo she keeps on bumping me. Yeah, let's slow it down. She don't care that I'm broke. No, she don't care I ain't got a car. All she wants is to keep me company, right by my side. She knows I'm a wino. Yes sir, and she knows I'm not yet a star. But on the stereo she keeps on bumping me. Make some noise, y'all, yeah.
Uncle Dom, would you read us a bedtime story, please, please?
Alright, here's one about K-Town. Y'all tucked in?
Here we go.
Now, once upon a time not long ago, I was a young boy in K-Town and not as old.